Billiards by Mark Twain. Chapter 1000. R. Clemens attended a billiard tourney on the evening of April 1906 and was called on to tell a story. The game of billiards has destroyed my naturally sweet disposition. Once, when I was an underpaid reporter in Virginia City, whenever I wished to play billiards, I went out to look for an easy mark. One day a stranger came to town and opened a billiard parlor. I looked him over casually. When he proposed a game, I answered, "All right. Just knock the balls around a little so that I can get your gait," he said, and when I had done so, he remarked, "I will be perfectly fair with you, I'll play you left-handed." I felt hurt, for he was cross-eyed, freckled, and had red hair, and I determined to teach him a lesson. He won first shot, ran out, took my $50, and all I got was the opportunity to chalk my cue. "If you can play like that with your left hand," I said, "I'd like to see you play with your right." "I can't," he said, "I'm left-handed."